Look, let me show y'all something. You guys out there, you mechanics out there, they're just recklessly replacing camshafts just because you're in there. There's some people that's coming out here to get camshaft. Now, you know, if somebody would take a chance on a used camshaft, oh, look, I see why this in here. I bet that's a ticker. Yep, look at that. Go freaking figure. Wow, that's crazy. I found the problem just that quick. See that cam load? So let me get this straight. Looking at this van, here's the thing, guys. Looking at this van, I take that back. This is not in because of body damage. I don't see any body damage. So some crazy customer, I'm not gonna call him crazy. This is 2013 for crying out loud. Some customer got rid of their whole complete van just because they had a ticker. Y'all see where I'm going with this? Do y'all understand what I'm trying to say here? There's no body damage on this. This is not here because of insurance company deciding not to repair it because of body damage. Yep, somebody needed that hub assembly. This car is here because it was a ticker. A mechanic tore it apart, saw this, and told the customer, you might as well get rid of the whole engine. Look at this. That's the ticker note. That cam load wore out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. If I'd have known that, I would have took this. Man, boy, woo, I would have fixed that in a heartbeat, man. They didn't even try. They just got this far, pulled the valve cover out. Oh, I recommend you get a whole nother car. Damn. Oh, well. A van gone bye-bye for nothing. That's why I keep trying to tell y'all, man, you do not have to replace. It's not the end of the world because your freaking engine is ticking. You don't need another engine. You don't need another car. All right? You just need somebody to know what the hell they're doing to simply fix that. Update the rock arms and that car be back brand new. All right. Y'all pissing me off. Wow, just froze up. Maybe because it's been out here forever. 3.5, guys. What y'all know about this? Okay. Now, there's some goodies I always get out here when I'm out here, guys. Like little stupid stuff. Let me tell you, little stupid stuff I always grab. And people don't know how to charge you for this, so I don't bother trying to be charged for it. All right, some things, like, I'm not finna word a clerk trying to look up and see how to, little stupid stuff like this. This AC caps, you know, high, low side pressure, right here. Yeah, I always just, it's not stealing, guys. Don't get in the comment. If you don't pay for it, you're a freaking thief. I'm not finna disturb this lady having her go find her boss. What should I charge for a cap? I paid $1 to get in here, or $2, whatever it costs. Oh my goodness, I'm pissed off. I'm wasting my time. Didn't get what I wanted because they didn't have what I wanted. Oh, typical 3.3. I don't know if y'all saw that short video I uploaded, but there was a 3-liter down here, guys. I'm in a go-kart. I can't leave my go-kart right here. Go get my damn go-kart. All right. Oh, man. Look what I walked up on. Looks like these guys about to take the freaking engine out. Oh, boy. Ooh, they're trying to get the engine out of this damn. Some of these guys don't play, guys. They be out here yanking out engines and shit. What's up, man?
What's up?
Uh-oh. Y'all finna snatch it up?
The hoist here? No, not that. We needed the hoist.
Oh, what engine you finna get?
One out of a Lexus.
Way over there.
But the tire's off the bead, so it's kind of a bitch.
Oh, damn, it sure is.
Yeah.
You can't even roll it.
Well, we can. It's just, that's going to be work, because it's all the way down there. We got to get it.
They got forklifts over there. They can come pick this shit up and take it down there.
They said they're only Monday through Friday.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
That sucks. Wow. Yeah, that damn thing bead is gone.
I think my buddy's looking for another one, because I think they said there's 2 of them.
Oh, out here in the whole lot somewhere?
There's another one of these somewhere.
You should have had a go-kart. You could have been riding around looking for it. Oh, poor guy. See, I don't want to be blocking this guy in on my go-kart. So, guys, I'm gonna go try to read some of these comments, and I gotta go. That's all I have, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll read the comments later on tonight, but I'm I don't even know how this video look. Video could be coming out terrible because of reception, but give me some reverse. It's your boy signing off. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.